Again, ang laro po natin, North 3 and 5x5 hanggang Saturday. So wala na po tayong laro ng Sunday. Hanggang Saturday na po tayo. Pag-check po yung ating mga schedule.
Good afternoon everyone and welcome back muli sa ating live. This is our second game ngayong araw sa pagitan ng AHIS or AHIS versus to our Don Bosco Gray Werewolves. Wala boys, this is the elementary division ng ating liga dito sa City of Mandaluyong District Meet 2025. Elementary Division. Let's go.
Kapon yung bola ni Neno. Oo.
Sige, dito mo nalagay. Sabay mga bola. Para sa nila.
Po.
Oh, sige. Bola ng... Bola nyo? Bola natin? Yan, shoutout po kay MB Munoz. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. To all the parents from Don Bosco, Mandaluyong. This is our second game and good luck. We hope na makuha natin ang dalawang sunod.
Sa warm-up, pinahanap ng bola, puta na wala na isa. Ang dami pa nagbabantay yun ha. Aba, nalingat na naman.
Ganyan din. Ano po wala? Let's the battle begin. Let's go. Here are our first 5. Shake tayo before we start. Good luck, boys.
Okay. First quarter of action.
Let's go. First ball mapupunta. Di ba baliktad? No good. Tama ba? Tama.
Change court tayo, change court. Dito muna ang court ng Ahis.
Kaya nagkilito ako eh.
Sa may belt niya.
Baliktad.
Change court muna.
Buti na lang, di pa napupun. Di pa na-issue-shoot.
Ayan, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our education program supervisor, Sir Leo Miranda Jr.
Jump shot, no good. Kalang 4-3, no good. Steal. Stop and pump. 2 points. 3 points daw, sabi ng ating referee. Bad pass. No good. Let's go. Galang. Oopsie, there's a foul.
There's a foul. Okay, communist time out muna tayo. Communist time out. Balik muna sa net. Lahat na po ng mga coaches, pinapanawag ni Sir Leo. All coaches. All coaches, punta po dito. All coaches po. Lahat po. Lahat ng coach, secondary, elementary, punta po dito sa communist table. Again, lahat po ng coaches, di mga bata, upo lang po muna dyan. All coaches muna. Punta kay Sir Leo.
Official timeout muna tayo.
All coaches po, dito muna.
Tawag mo na ang ating officials, ang lahat ng coaches from elementary to secondary.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Leo Miranda Jr.
Alright, back to the ball game. Uy, steal by number 26. First layup, no good. Number 04. Basket. Another steal. Ayan na ang pressure defense ng Ahis. Galang looking for his teammate. Pass to number 14. Jump shot, no good. Wala. Ayan na ang Ahis, no good. Number 31, short. Wala. Pass to Galang. Galang. Running shot, no good. 3 points, wala. Short, rebound by Kobe. Galang, nagmamadali. Derecho, no call. Oh, steal. Number 44. Liu to number 0. Whoa, bad pass. Steal ng Ahis. Number 26, blocked by Kobe. Steal by number 0. Naka-recover ang Ahis. Pass to number 11. And that's a 3 seconds violation.
Remaining time 5 minutes.
Remaining time 5 minutes daw po. Galang, pass to number 6, back to Galang. Kobe. Spin. Oh, block. Number 26, no good. Get the shot, basket. 9-0. Let's go, Kobe. Let's go, Werewolves. Fake, jump shot, short. No good dito. Oh, wala. Number 11 to number 26. Pinasa elbow 3, no good. Out of bounds. Don Bosco basketball.
And play time 3 minutes 45 seconds.
3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Rep. Good. Wala. Rebound by Kobe. Take a shot. No good. Rebound by Kobe. Wala. Rebound ng Ahis. Ayan na. Derecho. Basket.
Don Bosco.
Time out. Don Bosco. Official score is 11-0 run ang Ahis.
Remaining time 2 minutes 50 seconds. First part.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 56 seconds daw po ang natitira sa ating first quarter.
Dito mo na, pag may substitution tayo, pakalapart dito.
Back to the ball game.
22. Sige.
11-0. Lamang ang Ahis. Let's go. Don Bosco. Uy. Steal. Nakatawid. Number 0. And that's a traveling violation. Let's go, Don Bosco. Number 26, steal. Naka-recover, number 25, and there's a foul.
Foul on number 11.
Foul number 11, that's Galang. That's first personal foul.
That is their first personal foul. First big foul.
Second shot is good.
One minute, 55 seconds.
Take a shot by Kobe Galang. Up to ang ating talaan. Number 26. Number 11, sidestep, no good. Rebound. And that's a jump ball.
Jump ball.
White ball. Uy, wait ba?
Two-point.
Gray ball daw po. Let's go, Kobe. Running shot, no good.
Two-point. Number 26. One deep. First quarter.
Steal number 26.
Two-point. Number
Malaki na po ang
26.
kalamangan ng Ahis.
45 seconds.
Rivera.
Line violation.
Oopsie.
Wala na mo. 30 seconds.
Last 30 seconds. Let's go, Don Bosco. Galang looking for his teammate. Make a shot, short.
Substitution.
Last 18 seconds.
20 seconds.
Bola rito ng Ahis. Number 11. Pass to number 04.
10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining. Oh, steal again.
2 points again, 11.
Malaki na po ang kalamangan. Let's go, Don Bosco. 3, 2, tira. And out of bounds.
Dito, okay, that's the end of first quarter. Official run score 22-2.
Alright, end of the first quarter. Official score 22-2 in favor of the Ahis. Second quarter coming up. Let's go, Don Bosco. Nice.
23, 7, 2, 44. Ahis, 18, 15, 24, 13, 7. Okay. White ball. Wala ng white.
Okay, back to the ball game. Let's go. Bounce back tayo. Second quarter. Let's go, Gray Werewolves. Hey guys, sa corner. Basket. Yan natin ang second unit ng ating goal. Number 24, running shot, basket. Number 44, pass number 20. Number 23, kick out, Rivera, and there's a foul
On number 15.
Shooting the line, jersey number 7, Rivera.
Number 7.
No good. Second shot para kay Rivera. No good. Rebound. Ay Picante. Out of bounds. Same ball. Rivera. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul on number 13.
Number 13. Rivera on the free throw area once again para sa Don Bosco. No good. Wala. Rebound. Picante. No good. Rebound again by Picante. And that's a traveling. Make it na bro. Make it na. Let's go. Bawi tayo.
Mark, tawag ka ni Sen.
Oh, steal. Outlet. Uy, steal. Jump shot. 2 points para kay number 18. Number 23, Paso Rivera. Picante. Turn around shot. Yes, sir. Okay, jersey number 2. Bad pass. Time out, Ahis. Official score 26 and 6 in favor of.
Remaining time 6 minutes. Second quarter.
Ano?
Back to the ball game. Wala na what?
Points para sa Ahis.
Foul number
There's a foul, number 18.
That is your first foul, 13 foul.
Number 7 to number 23. Ooh, double dribble.
Double dribble.
Basket by Pecante. Rebound by Pecante. Pass to Rivera. Oh, still. That's a traveling violation.
3 minutes, 35 seconds.
3 minutes daw po.
Pagpupusan.
35 seconds.
Papasok ang number 1.
Rivera. Basket by Rivera.
Number 7.
Double digit na rin ang ating score. 28 and 10. Running shot. Basket.
Number 15.
Balik sa 20 ang kalamangan ng Ahis. Number 44. Pass to Pecante. Dire-derecho. No good. Rebound ng Ahis. Ayan na ang double team. Pass to Ahis. Binigay. Number 07 sa corner. 3 short. Rebound by number 44. Pass number 29. 20. There's a foul.
Foul on number 24 of Ahis.
Patching on the free throw area. Jersey number 20.
First personal foul, 14 foul.
Patching on the free throw area. First shot, no good. Official scores 30-10, 20-point lead para sa Ahis. Second shot, no good. Rebound ng Ahis.
2 minutes, second quarter.
Last 2 minutes. Tumis daw po sa ating second
Wala
quarter.
nang what?
White ball.
1 minute 45 seconds.
1 minute and 45 seconds daw po. Outlet pass.
Save
Out
ball.
of bounds, save ball. Oh, steal. Number 13, and there's a foul.
There's a foul on number 1.
Number 1, that is Santos.
What?
Shooting the line, jersey number 13 para sa Ahis.
First personal foul. First day foul. 1 minute 35 seconds.
1 minute and 35 seconds na lamang daw po ang natitira sa ating first half. Second shot is good. Pecante sa loob, spin. Pass to number 20, too strong. Rebound ng Ahis. Oh, number 13. 7, and that's a backcourt violation.
Backcourt violation.
Steal ng Ahis. Steal by Rivera. Oh, steal ng Ahis ulit. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Basket.
2 points, number 7.
Number 7.
Okay.
Official timeout tayo.
Nandiyan tayo muna tayo, nerd. 50 seconds.
Remaining last 50 seconds.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, timeout tayo kay jersey number 44 who we hope na makabalik siya sa laro. Oh, another steal. Jump shot, no good. Out of bounds. White ball.
Warning, number 18 for delaying the game.
Warning number 18 for delaying the game. Sa Ahis. Ayan na. Derecho. No good. Rebound by Picante. Nabitawan. Out of bounds.
Fire out. Don Bosco.
Time out. Don Bosco.
Last 20 seconds.
Para sa ating first half.
20 seconds. Second quarter.
Back to the ball game. Last 20 seconds remaining. Para sa ating first half. 33-10.
20 seconds.
13-point lead para sa Ahis. Let's go, Don Bosco. Oh, still. Running shot, no good. To number 07. 10 seconds, running shot, no good. Rebound ulit ng Ahis. Number 15, 5 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1, and there you have it. End of the first half, Fisher score.
End of second quarter.
Fisher score 33-10
Ahis.
in favor of the Ahis. Okay, third quarter tayo. At tayo magbabalik maya-maya lamang. Running shot, no good.
Three points, number 18.
3 points daw po, number 18. Let's go! Rivera, basket! By jersey number 7. Wala. Kick out. Step back. That's a traveling violation. Rivera, may tangan ng bola. Pass to Picante. Nagagawa under sa Ahis basketball.
Substitution.
Steal by number 17. Rivera. Number 04 to number 06. Short. Kuha ni Galang. Galang, dire-derecho. Basket para kay Galang.
Number 11.
Side step. No good. Rivera, and there's a foul.
Contested with a call on number 4. 5 minutes, 55 seconds.
5 minutes and 55 seconds. 8 minutes na nga lang talaga ang laban. On the free throw area, jersey number 7, Rivera Jr. First shot is good.
Ang isa, number 7.
36-15. 17. Rather. 17-38 ang ating talaan. No good. Uy. Check out number 18. Wala. Basket.
Number 26.
Oh, wala. Rebound by Picante. Picante. Basket.
Number 2. 4 minutes, 40 seconds.
Very good. Number 11.
Ahis pala tutulog. Ahis.
Turnover.
Kaya natin yun eh. Dahil po, itong dito.
Substitution.
Ako, ayaw ko. Hindi na rin. Ano, kaya natin yun.
Gets the 3. Wala. Rebound ng Ahis.
Ball possession natin. Right. 3 minutes.
White ball. Let's go, Kobe. Pass to Picante. Nice fake. Uy, wala lang. Rebound. Kobe, and there's a foul.
Number 13. Foul, number 13.
Bye-bye.
Kasi yung tumalong. Baka bandito na nagkita sa'yo. Ay, babi sa
Shoutout muna kayo, pre. Shoutout. Shoutout.
Bata kay Mamaribin.
First shot para kay Kobe. No good. Baka pwede niyo akong follow, guys, ha? Ayun, oh. Dumi ngayon. Sorry tayo dyan. Doon sa taas, ba? Doon sa taas. Thank you, thank you. Doon sa taas na. shot. Yes, sir.
3 points, number 11.
3 points daw po, sabi ng ating referee. Let's go, Don Bosco. Rivera. Pass to Kobe. To Rivera. Becante sa loob. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul on number 04. Substitution rep.
On the free throw area, jersey number 2, Becante. Time remaining 1 minute and 32 seconds na lamang daw po ang natitira sa ating third quarter. Becante on the free throw area, second shot. Second shot, no good. Isa pa daw po.
Well.
Basket. Ayan na. Step back 3. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Same ball. Espinosa. Stop and pump. Basket. Let's go, Don Bosco. Oh, bad pass. Out of bounds. Timeout. Ice. Last 50 seconds.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Last 50 seconds remaining.
50 seconds.
Bola natin. Kobe. Pass to. Sa loob. Steal na naman. Nasa corner. And that's a step in on the line. Kitang-kita yun. Ang ating referee. Last 35 seconds. Let's go. Steal ng Ahis. Wala. Rebound. Number 4. Wala. Block by Kobe. Rebound by Kobe. Kobe nagmamadali. Diretso. No good. Last 15 seconds. Steal. 10 seconds. Ay, thank you po. Number 4. Basket. 47 to 20. And that's the end of our third quarter. 47 to 21. Against the line nga lang. Madaling gusto ng banda tayo. Madaling makatalo ng banda. Pero okay naman siya, no?
Galing na hindi ko yung nagsasalita na, sir.
Opo. Pero naririnig ka nila.
Kahit ano lang. Galing niya, oh.
Fourth
Malinaw,
quarter tayo.
Malinaw.
Thank you. Back to the ball game. Fourth and last quarter tayo. 47-21. 26-point lead para sa Ahis.
Eligible naman lahat ng laro. Kaya
Oh, bad pass. Traveling violation. And a stepping. Traveling violation. Pass to Picante. Sa loob, using the glass. No good. Rebound by number 04. Ayan na ang Ahis. Number 26. Running shot. No good. Rebound again by Ahis. Wala. Kick out from the corner. Oh! 3 points daw para sa Ahis by number 5.
number 6.
Steal ng Ahis. 0-6 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 0. Picante. Steal. Wala. Rebound by number 0. And there's a foul. Correction, that's Picante.
Foul on number 26.
I'm out, Don Bosco. With the official scores 50-21 with the time remaining.
First goal for our next game. Pivoting boys. GRU versus Tantivigo.
Back to the ball game. Let's go, Don Bosco. Kobe, pass to number 6, back to Kobe, and there's a foul.
Foul again on number 26.
Number 26.
And it's their third personal foul.
Galang, pass to number 6. You, pass to Galang. Galang, dire-derecho, basket para kay Kobe. Ayun na, bad pass. Last touch, same ball.
Wala. Yung ginagawa ko, data eh. Ready?
6 rings.
Number 26 for 3, short. Out of bounds. Pass to Rivera, back to Kobe. Number 44, wala. Rebound ng Ahis. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
By Lucas. Rivera. Pass to Kobe. Kala binagay kay Rivera. Fake. You.
Jumble.
Sa jumble. Same ball tayo.
White.
Bola natin. Kobe. Basket para kay Kobe.
Number 11.
Time out, Ahis. Baba sa 25 ang kalamangan ng Ahis.
4 minutes, 45 seconds.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Yan natin, ang handle ng ating coach. Let's go, kaya pa yan, 25. In the 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Shoutout kay Idol Ronel Razon Viray. Shoutout daw para kay Tol John T. Cruz. Shoutout din kay James Pascua and MB
4
Munoz.
minutes, 45 seconds.
Alright, back to the ball game. Ayan na, number 26. Nakasagot agad ang number 26. Rivera. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Pass to Galang. Oh, si out of bounds. Same ball. On correction, Ahis basketball. Steal. Bayu. Number 17, basket.
17.
Steal, Rivera, bounce pass. Yes, sir. By Rivera. Ayan na, humahabol na ang ating Don Bosco. Steal. Munti ka na magawan. Number 26, bounce pass. With a big shot. Oy! There's a foul.
Foul number 6.
Number 6, you. Shots para kay jersey number 18. Oh, sorry, that's number.
3 minutes, 22 seconds.
2 minutes daw po and 22 seconds ang natitira.
Huwag na pala, robot.
Let's go, Don Bosco. Kaya pa, don't give up. Rebound, makukuha ni number 26. Pass to number 18. Oh, steal. Ay na, not bad pass nga lang. Number 26, no good. Number 11, basket. Galang to Rivera. Rivera may tangan ng bola. Ay na, apa? Nadulas. Bola rito ng Ahis. Steal by Rivera. Pass to Galang. What an extra pass to number 17. Blocked by number 26. Oy, traveling. Kitang-kita yun ang ating referee. Galang, pass to Rivera.
1 minute, 50 seconds.
Number 2. Basket by Picante. Defense. Let's go. 0-4.
30 seconds.
1 minute and 40 pa daw po. Too strong. Wala. Meron.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Oy, bad pass. Number 11. Another steal para sa Ahis. Tumira, wala. Out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds sa ating fourth and last quarter. 56 to 31. Lamang pa rin ang Ahis.
Official red for 56-31 Ahis. 1 minute 10 seconds.
Here we go, back to the ball game.
1 minute 10 seconds.
Wala natin. Hoy! Oh, walang tawag. Out of bounds. Don Bosco basketball. White. Gala bola natin.
1 minute.
Let's go, Picante. Sa'yo na yan. Picante all the way. Basket.
50 seconds.
Last 50 seconds. Number 07. Wala. Rebound. Let's go. Outlet na. Outlet. 30 seconds.
20 seconds.
Last 20 seconds. Let's go. Shoot mo. Oy, sayang. Rivera. Attacking the basket. Block there. Picante. Basket. By jersey number 2.
12 seconds.
Last 12 seconds. Let's go. Uy, there's a foul.
7 seconds.
Last 7 seconds.
7 seconds.
Oh, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban with the time remaining 7 seconds sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan na, maagawan pa. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban.
And the ball game.
What a nice game to our Don Bosco Mandaluyong, and congratulations to our winning team, ang Ahis. Our final score 35 to 56. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at magkita-kita po tayo sa ating next live. Especially maraming salamat po to our Don Bosco parents, Mandaluyong, for giving me a chance para may cover ang inyong mga laro. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli, and ganun pa man, nice game pa rin para sa ating team, para sa ating elementary division. Hanggang sa muli po, and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po.